Is your Sony WF earbuds case losing battery even when you're not using it? You're not alone. Many users of Sony's WF series, like the WF-1000XM4 and WF-1000XM5, have reported this issue. The main culprits are inefficient power circuitry, firmware bugs that prevent the case from entering a deep sleep mode, and even improper placement of the earbuds in the case. This video will guide you through identifying and fixing these problems. First, ensure your earbuds are correctly seated in the case. If they're not making full contact with the charging pins, the case might stay in an active state, constantly trying to charge them. This drains the battery. Open and close the case, paying close attention to how the earbuds sit. A slight adjustment can make a big difference. Also, try cleaning the charging pins on both the earbuds and the case with a dry cloth. Sometimes a simple reset can resolve software glitches, causing the drain. In the Sony Headphones Connect app, look for the System tab, and then find the Reset or Initialize option. This will reset the earbuds and case to their factory settings. Then repair them with your phone to start fresh. This is a relatively simple thing to try that resolves a lot of issues with the earbuds. Extreme temperatures can also impact battery life. Avoid leaving your earbuds case in direct sunlight or in very cold environments. According to a 2025 Consumer Reports study, high heat can accelerate battery depletion by 10 to 20%. Store your earbuds in a cool, dry place to preserve battery health. Frequent opening and closing of the earbud case without charging can significantly contribute to battery drain. Each time you open the case, the internal circuits wake up and consume power, even if you don't use the buds. To maintain optimal battery health, make sure to fully charge the case at least once a week. This helps calibrate the battery and prevents the buildup of parasitic currents that can cause faster drain. Avoid using incompatible wireless chargers, as they can overheat the case and damage the battery over time. The wrong charger may not regulate voltage properly, leading to excessive heat buildup. Stick to the charging cable provided by Sony to ensure safe and efficient charging. Using the original cable helps maintain proper charging protocols and protects your battery from potential damage. If the problem persists after trying these steps, there might be a deeper issue. Try disabling unnecessary features in the Sony Headphones Connect app, such as Speak to Chat or DSE Extreme. These features consume extra power. If that doesn't resolve it, contact Sony support for further assistance. The good news is battery technology is constantly improving. Future Sony WF models are expected to feature better batteries and smarter power management. For example, the rumored WF-1000XM6 may use graphene batteries, potentially extending case battery life by 50%. Keep an eye out for these advancements, as they promise to make battery drain a thing of the past.